Wag na, umalis ka na doon. Tama
Siguro,
naman yun.
Para matikman lang nga kung gaano kalakas nga sumuntok ito.
You know, but let it be said, no, Margarito is still a dangerous fighter.
Pero titingnan yung
Hindi masyadong maraming ano.
Sobra dami ng pamada.
Masyadong maraming nilagay. But he is still a dangerous fighter. Again, physics can still come into play. So kailangan bantayan, ano?
Mahayong adlaw, kaninyo tanan, mahayong adlaw daw, nagatanaw sa aton subong. We hope you're enjoying this fight, Manny Pacquiao and Tonya Margarito at top of the ring. Margarito in the maroon trunks, of course. Actually black more than maroon, although it does look like it's maroon on your screens. Pacquiao ahead in this fight, but Margarito still a deadly opponent. Looks like all the rounds going Pacquiao's way, but Margarito still dangerous. May alahoy pa yan, ha?
Sugod lang na sugod. Sige lang, suntok lang na suntok. Sabi nga natin, si Margarito is a busy fighter and he has a very strong chin. Tumumba na yan ilang beses, pero tumayo. Kay mostly lang siya medyo hindi nakakatayo, no? Pero yung mga laban niya before, no, kung saan siya tumumba, tumatayo yan, nananalo pa. So, you know, just keep that in mind. If we were in the corner of Pacquiao, and we are in the corner of Pacquiao's Filipinos, gusto natin mag-ingat si Manny. Tuloy niya lang yung ginagawa niya. Well, Margarito is going to try really, really hard to do something different. Kasi partner, pag di niya ginawa, yung mata na yan, sarado na.
Yeah. Pacquiao with a bit of a shovel, Boboy. I like the way he's playing defense here, Boboy.
Just coasting and hitting. Ayan. Sunod-sunod na kombinasyon, no?
In the meantime, Pacquiao looking for... Look at the unofficial scorecard. That's Colonel Bob Sheridan doing the coverage for another channel. One of the friends we've had through the years in the boxing world.
I think he copied ours.
Huh?
He copied our scorecard.
Every time Manny ducks like that, talagang tatamaan siya ng ganon. Huwag na nga daw
Oh, Pacquiao got rocked there. But you know, everything that Margarito has thrown, may sagot si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi lang isa, may tatlo, may apat, may lima!
But Manny's really deciding to mix it up with Margarito. Again, something that Boboy told him not to do. Get out of that. Because malaki pa rin si Margarito. And we're saying, may power punch pa rin yan si Margarito.
47 seconds to go.
Yeah, one of the better rounds of Margarito. Na maaring maagaw pa ni Manny, no?
You know, the shots of Margarito too few and far between. Pacquiao nailing Margarito again. That left hand at work. The body, the head. The head is the target now as we hit the last 23 seconds. Look at the conditioning of Pacquiao. His hands playing defense now. Final 10. Pacquiao gets rocked there. Pacquiao unable to get out of trouble. He does so now. And listen to this crowd roar!
Pacquiao Margarito is presented to you by Ginebra San Miguel. Ang bida, naka-Ginebra. Clear. Make the switch to zero dandruff. No visible flakes with regular use. San Miguel Beer. Samahang walang katulad. Brought to you by Samurai Energy Drink. Handa sa laban araw-araw. Boysen Wall Guard. Water-based dirt-resisting paint. Boysen Knocks Out. The air cleaning paint. And in part by Cord Marine Epoxy.